Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to Dante's Racing World, and today we have a bit of an unusual video because we are opening up Pokemon booster packs. We got Fusion Strike and Evolving Skies. These are both common sets, but they could pull like the rarest card ever. First, I'm actually going to open Fusion Strike first, and I'm going to see what I get, and I'll show you all the cards that I get from the pack. I'm just going to open it. Oh, there it is. No. Okay, there we go. Now, we got this Carvana card. You got Clampert. That looks very cool. Morpeko, which I like this one. And you have Scrambley, a Sheltmint. Oh, that's a really good reverse card. That's a legendary Pokemon. And our last Pokemon is it something good? Something good? Oh, it's a non-holo rare. And this is a pretty good non-holo rare, but I really like the artwork on it. Then we also have this energy, and I think there's a trainer behind it. And then like there's a Pokemon, I bet this is. Yeah, it's a Pokemon. And then I think it's another Pokemon. Yes, another Pokemon. And a code card. Now we're going to the last pack, and I hope it's going to be like the rarest Pokemon ever. Because I really, really want it to be that. Because some of the rare Pokemon are worth some of them are over like, I don't know, $100, and some of them are like really common rares. Alright, we got this grass Pokemon that I don't think I've ever seen before. Hitmonchan, a really cool Pokemon. Fetchling, I like that Pokemon too. Tentacle, of course it's cool. Pikachu, just a basic Pikachu. Whatever that says, but it's a reverse card, and I hope this is like the rarest card ever. I hope it is. Oh, actually this isn't bad. It's a holo. Holo cards aren't bad. That's a really nice holo. We have Fire Energy, and I think there's 2 trainers here. And then I think this is a Pokemon. Yeah, Bulldog. And then here's the code card. Well, those were all the Pokemon cards we got. We got 2 pretty good ones. I'll get them out here. We got the holo, which I love this card so much. Because first when I saw this card, I loved like the background. It looked really good. Then I've never seen this card before, but I have seen the Pokemon, I think, and I think it looks amazing. But I think so that holo was my favorite. The one I just showed you was my favorite card that I pulled today. This was my second because this is a legendary Pokemon, Yveltal, and it's a dark type. I do love dark type Pokemon, but my favorite are water type. And it's especially when it's a reverse card. It's amazing. And I'll say my third favorite Pokemon might be, I'm gonna have a look here. Actually, it might be this one. So I actually like this one a bit. Because it looks like it's using like a attack of some sort. Actually, it looks like it's using like quick attack or something. And remember this card, this is the first card we pulled today, and I don't have it And that's the end of the video. I hope you like this pretty short video, but I will see you again hopefully soon. Bye bye!